closing ceremony.
Did you watch the opening?
Yes, and this one and also for the final football match, or you call it soccer match. And yeah, during the opening ceremony, I don't know whether you've watched the TV or not, you're going to see the very impressive fireworks, including the footprints. Did you remember the footprints? So coming from the modern, from the old, all the way to the bird's nest.
The teeth are shining in it.
And after the Olympics, we are going to use the bird's nest for the public concerts or some other ceremonies. And the one next to the bird's nest, you're going to see that's the bubble. Over there, the right-hand side, the bubble. This is called a water cubic. You're American swimmer. Michael Phelps, yes, from Buffalo. He made the record right inside the water cubic. You're so proud of him, just like we're proud of Yao. Yeah, Yao Ming, yes, the famous basketball player. So this one, the water cubic, is our national swimming center. And this one has the capacity around 17,000 people.